Hello everyone, so today I have my Ipsy unbagging. I know I look exactly the same from the last video that I filmed. I just filmed the new Colourpop FAME palette. I did a little tutorial and review on it. If you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the cards above and then I'll also link it down below. So I want to unbag this for you guys all today. This is my last Ipsy unbagging. I have signed up for several different subscription boxes recently, and I'm not getting exactly what I want out of the Ipsy bag. I just feel like for a couple dollars more, I can get boxes with full-size things that I'll actually use, hopefully. So I have recently signed up for the Ricky's Cult Crushes. I've signed up for FABFITFUN, and then I signed up for the luxury scent box, which I also did a review on. I'll link that up above as well and down below if you want to check that out. It's just a fragrance subscription box. I just felt like I didn't really need this one, so I canceled it. So this is my last one. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for all of my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Ipsy bag, then just keep watching. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 a month subscription service with beauty items. You get 4 to 5 sample size to full size. I have gotten several full size things in my bags. Yeah, every single month it's just $10 flat. You don't have to pay any shipping fees or anything like that. So it's just a nice way, especially if you're a beginner, to try out new makeup, to try out things that maybe you wouldn't normally try out. That's the main reason why I signed up for it over a year ago, because I was just getting into makeup. I didn't really know a whole lot about it, and I just wanted to try lots of things out. So for that, I think that this is a really great subscription service. So I did get a couple things outside of my bag, but I just want to show you guys the bag this month. It looks like this. It's a yellow background with some red kind of pink color, traveling, stuff. You got like the stamps, mailing stamp things, that. So I think it's really cute. And then on the little zipper, there's also, if you can see it, I don't know how well you can see it. Let's see. There you go. It's a little airplane, which I thought was really cute. And then the back is just orange and it has Ipsy's name on it. I'm gonna pull out the little card that it comes with. And this month's theme is Go There. So it's all about traveling. So it looks like this month's Ipsters went to Paris, which is pretty awesome. And then I'm gonna show you what I got outside of my box, or outside of my bag. I got 2 masks. I got a Fresh Garden Acai berry calming mask, and then a pomegranate firming mask. I really do like masks. I have a nice little collection of them in my bathroom drawer, and whenever I'm feeling maybe a little down, or I'm just feeling like my skin needs an extra boost of something, I'll throw one of these on, hop in the bath, and give myself a little spa treatment. So I do really like getting masks in my bag, so I'm actually really happy about these. And then reaching into my bag, the first thing I'm pulling out is this Lord & Berry crayon lipstick. It's in the shade Spicy. Do a little swatch for you. Ooh, I actually really like this color, and it is really creamy. So I actually really like that, and it's not a bad size sample. I mean, the likelihood of me going through this anytime soon is not likely. So I just take forever to go through lip products, and I have so many that I never go through them. I actually really enjoy this. I really like the color. I think that's really pretty, and it'll be good, to travel with. Traveling, yeah. It's good. The next thing I'm pulling out is this, it's a Kokie nail polish. I've never gotten a nail polish since I have signed up for Ipsy over a year ago. I think I put on there that I didn't want nail polishes. Since I've never gotten one, I'm not too mad about it. Ooh, it's this really pretty pink color. So this is in the shade Fresh Picked. It's just a really nice baby pink. And I also think the packaging is really cute with the black and white lid. So this is actually really nice. I don't think I have anything right now that's this baby pink, so it's a really pretty spring color, so I'm not mad about that either. The next thing I'm feeling in here, this is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I actually have a sample of this already, and I don't use it. and I've actually heard that there's really bad flashback with this, so I will probably not be using this. Most likely I can throw it into a giveaway or give it to a close family member or friend, see if they like it, somebody who's not worried about flashback. And the last thing I got is this Arc Arrival Brow Definer. So it looks like a brow pencil, and it has a very triangular tip to it. It does, oh, this is in the shade Taupe Tom, and that is the shade right there. I have so many eyebrow brushes right now. I feel like I'm never gonna go through them. But it's nice to have a little backup of one, you know, just in case I do run out somehow. But I do like that it comes to a pretty fine tip at the top. I don't know how it will be for getting like the inside of my eyebrows, but it's definitely worth a try. And that's it. That's everything that I got in this month's Ipsy bag. Overall, I'm actually not too mad at it. The one thing that I feel like I won't be using is just this Tarte powder. Everything else I can see myself using up. Definitely excited to get a little babe pink going on my nails. So what I do at the end of every month, I take all of my subscription boxes, take the products that I got for it, and I dedicate one video to trying all those products on. So make sure that you keep an eye out for that at the end of this month. I'll try to have it up at the end of the month, hopefully. I'll be out of town for a good 5 days towards the end of the month, so hopefully I can get that up for you, if not at the beginning of next month. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags down below. I'd love to know if you got any of these same products, how have you been liking them, or what different products you guys got in your bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.